is a concept in mathematics called the exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior means outside. We're referring to an angle that is outside a triangle, however it has a special relationship with this triangle and with some of the inside angles in that triangle. Now let's look at a diagram to understand it better. The exterior angle of a triangle. We look at this diagram and we notice there's a triangle, and outside this triangle we have an angle marked with a C. This angle is outside. It is the exterior angle of this triangle. The concept says is that the sum of the two interior angles is equal to the opposite exterior angle. The sum of the two interior angles is equal to the opposite exterior angle. So in mathematics, we write it like this. C, which is the exterior angle, equals to A plus B. A plus B, the two interior angles opposite the exterior angle outside. When you add them up, they'll always add up to the exterior angle. So C equals to A plus B. A and B added together will add up to C outside. Remember this concept, you're going to be using it in later years to find missing angles using this exterior angle. And now we're going to do 2 or 3 examples to show you how easy it is following this rule. C equals A plus B, which means that the two interior angles added up together will add up to the exterior angle outside. Let's do that now. Okay, we have a question here. It's saying find the missing angle. We can straight away look at this diagram and identify that we have a triangle and we have an exterior angle. As soon as you see that, you straight away think exterior angle of a triangle. Straight away remember that concept, exterior angle of a triangle. What does that concept say? It says that the two opposite interior angles, opposite what? They are opposite the exterior angle. These two added together, 50 and 79. In this case, when we add the two interior angles that are opposite the exterior angle, they equal to the exterior angle outside. X equals, X is the exterior angle, here it is, equals to 79, that interior angle added, plus the other interior angle. X is going to be the total of 129 degrees. 79 plus 50, the two interior angles that are opposite the exterior angle, they add up together and make 129 degrees. What is our reason? Our reason, we use the exterior angle of a triangle concept. Now we write our reason. Exterior angle of triangle. Exterior angle of triangle. This is the short form. That's the reason for X being 129 degrees. We justified our answer. We gave our reason. Our answer is 129 degrees. This angle is 129 degrees. And we give reasons, and our reason is exterior angle of a triangle. Let us do another couple of examples. Okay, we have another example here. We're asked to find the exterior angle once again. The exterior angle is marked with a B. Where's the exterior angle? There it is. Basically, it is outside the triangle. That's why it's called exterior. We know that the exterior angle adds up to, it has a total of the two interior angles added together. So that is the total. So for us to find B, we write B equals 111 degrees plus 20 degrees. The two interior angles added together make the exterior angle outside. So B is going to be 111 plus 20, 131 degrees. So the total of the exterior angle is 131 degrees. Now, again, we write our reason. It is that simple. Exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle is our reason. This is our answer. We'll get full marks. Let's do one more example. Okay, let's look at this diagram here. We're asked to find the missing angle. But we notice the missing angle is not the exterior angle. It is the interior angle. The interior angle inside the triangle. We use the same concept, the exterior angle of a triangle concept, the same rule to find the interior angle, but we do what's opposite. Before, we were trying to find the exterior angle, now we're trying to find the interior angle. We know that the exterior angle is a total of these two added together. A plus 75 equals 120 degrees. These two added together, A and 75 make 120 degrees. So we are trying to find the interior angle. So it is the opposite. 120 is the total minus 75. 120 take away 75. 45 degrees. Therefore, A, this angle there, is 45 degrees. We worked using the opposite of the exterior angle rule. We know 120 degrees is outside. It equals to the two interior angles added together. We're finding the interior angle. So we basically take away 75 from 120. We used the exterior angle rule. So our reason, exterior angle of triangle. A is 45. 45 plus 75 make 120. So yes, the exterior angle of a triangle rule will work. This is how we do it. Always show your answer. Always show you're working out. And of course, always write your reason. You'll get your marks in full and you'll become very, very good at this. Always identify triangle and the exterior angle outside. Remember that all the time.